guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. Hope you all are doing well, and for today's tutorial I'll be creating this Selena Gomez inspired neon eye makeup look. It's a pop of color with some brown shadow and that's it. And this is a beautiful pop of colored eye makeup look, so if you're interested then please keep on watching. To begin with, I'm going to prime my lids with Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Fair because I want those colors to pop up. And I'm going to use a flat concealer brush and I'm going to blend that all well and then set it with the Maybelline's setting powder in translucent. To begin with, I'm going to use Morphe into Jaclyn Hill palette in the shade called Buns and Pooter. I'm going to mix that two shades and I'm going to work that on my outer corner. According to the photo, there's a nice hint of brown on the outer corner, so I'm working that all well, blending it. But I need more brown in it, so I'm going to use a shade called Chip from the same palette, and I'm going to work that again on my outer corner, blending that all well and adding the shade till I'm happy with the color payoff. So you have to blend, so blending is the key, you guys. And for the transition shade, I'm going to use a shade called Silk Creme from the same palette, and I'm going to blend that all well so that it looks nice and seamless and there are no harsh edges. For the color, I'm going to use Morphe's 35B Color Burst palette in the shades called Bikini and Buff. That's a beautiful pink and orange shade, so I can create my own neon kind of color with it. And I'm going to work on my inner part of my eye. I'm going to use a bullet brush and I'm going to mix that shades and I'm going to create that pop of color. So I'm going to go over and over again because I want it to look nice and bright, and taking the same shades on a flat brush and I'm going to work out on my inner part of my eye like so it looks nice and peachy and there's a bright pop of color on the inner part. Next, I'm going to use a dark brown shade and I'm going to create an eyeliner with the same eyeshadow. It's a shade called Chip. Now for my dark circles, I'm going to use LA Girl's concealer in the shade Orange and I'm going to blend that all well. And then I'm going to set that in place with some translucent powder. Then I'm going to leave that like that. I'm going to work on my brows. I've bought this new Huda Beauty's Bomb Brows in the shade Black Brown. It's a beautiful thinnest micro blade kind of a pencil and I just love it. You know, you can create beautiful hair kind of strokes with it. So here I'm working on my brows, nice, keeping it nice and natural. Now to highlight my under eye area, I'm going to use Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium. I'm going to blend that all well and set that in place with some translucent powder. And for my upper lash line, I've used Isadora's Contour Kajal, and I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line with the dark brown color, and I'm using Colourpop's Creme Gel Liner in Exit on my lower waterline, and Balm's Merry Luminizer as my brow bone highlight, curling my lashes. I know the voiceover is going haywire. I'm going to use Isadora's Lash Sensational Mascara. You can go ahead and add falsies if you would like to. And this is the final look, you guys. Do let me know in the comment section below how do you like this look. It's a beautiful, super easy pop of color eye makeup looks inspired by Selena Gomez. Do let me know in the comment section below if you would recreate this, and I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. Guys, there are many more tutorials up on my channel, and show some love by hitting the subscribe button and watching my videos and showing some support by sharing it, commenting on it, because I really want to talk to you guys. So do leave a comment, do leave an emoji on my channel under this video or on my Instagram. So until next time, y'all take care. Bye bye.